was thinking about going with the 5600 XT. What is that? Is that graphic card? Oh, the AMD. Alright, no, that's a processor, right? As for his help with the
I'm
meeting?
looking to meet Enormil Frichtman. I went all the way to the village council.
But they did not let you speak to Glendan the Elder.
Precisely. They said that only the friends of a member of the council might enter.
This seal
Oh, it's a graphics card?
will
Yeah, I'm an
allow
idiot.
you to give voice to the friends of your clan, those who may speak in your name. Here, friend of Wenxavier. Take my seal and go and meet Glendan. But you must convince him and no doubt pass many trials. Many monsters and traps are hidden on the path you seek to follow.
Thank you, Katasach. Why are you helping me?
We do not wish to lose the one who placed his life in my hands. And you have already shown me your friendship.
I hope that Glendan will allow you to meet this god, cousin. Leave as soon as you can. Godspeed.
Have no fear. I'll do whatever it takes. I must go.
What Awalam say?
So a friend of mine actually just did like a full red build, like AMD processor, AMD graphics card, and like not to like be the rain on your parade or anything, but he returned everything. I don't know. I don't remember why. I don't know if it like overheated or something, or if he did something, or it just didn't work out the way he wanted it to. But yeah, that was just his experience with it, at least. I don't really know what he did, but it basically came from me wanting to say that I wanted to upgrade my computer. How's this stream been running? I haven't been watching it. Has it been choppy or anything? I don't have I only have my one monitor right now, so I can't really see it.
You have returned. The rule is still the same, you know.
Could be how he built it, because I don't see problems with the AMD build. No, like AMD is like fantastic. Don't get me wrong. I
Here
think
is
maybe
the seal of the Denegad Katasach
It's
of
running
the
fine.
village
Alright,
of
good.
Wenxavier.
And so you are a trusted friend of the great healer. He must see your true face and find it worthy. Enter. You are welcome.
Let's see what they got. Whoa. It's a sweet ass room.
I give you warm greetings, Glendan. I am Disarday, legate of the Congregation of Merchants.
Your merchant congregation sways me very slightly from my path. But you are a current of Katasach. His trust in you makes me stop and look at you. What brings you here?
I seek a remedy. My cousin, as well as many other people on our island, suffer from a terrible sickness. We think that only Enormil Frichtman can help us find a cure.
Really? And Katasach sent you to see me?
He told me that the only way to meet with your god was to come and see you. You would judge our worthiness.
Judge your intentions? Yes, that I can do. But even if I should do this, you would have many trials to pass.
Let's do it.
For
I'll
the
pass them all.
path you seek to follow has only been tread but a very few times, and you are the first Renaigse to set foot upon it. We must begin where everything begins. There is a trial. The trial of water. It will show us the reflection of your soul.
What must I do?
You must go to a cavern and tell me what you see on the seal you will find deep in its center.
And this cavern is guarded, I suppose.
That is true. But the simplest solution is not always the best. It is a path with many forks. I hope you will prove that you understand the spirit of our people and our island. Go now. Show us your true face, and return purified by the waters of the cavern.
Okay.
I must leave. Goodbye.
Qua Awelem said.
Yeah. Bumblebee tuna to you as well.
You have spoken to Glendon as you wanted. What more can I do for you?
Ask about the trial of water.
I was asked to pass the trial of water. What do you know about it?
I have never passed it. Only those who must reveal their soul walk this path. The High Kings and Queens. It is a tremendous honor given to you, Renaigse.
Do you have any advice to give me?
I only know that the trial can be passed in many ways, and your choice will reveal the makings of your soul. One way is through strength, the other by ruse and heart. But I know no more than this. The trials are kept secret. Anything else?
Nothing else. Thank
that's
you.
it, man. Thank
I
you.
need to leave.
Good luck. And do not lose yourself in your own reflection.
Okay. They become so better for the price. The products are better than Nvidia's price. Oh yeah, for what you get, yeah. I think like bang for your buck, AMD is the way to go.
These beasts are feeding on this carcass. If we manage to pour some sleep potion on it.
Why would I do that? How about we just do the ye old quick save? Wreck their whole day.
Poison on my blade. And let's go! Take a potion if you want to cast more spells.
Your magic is running out. Take a potion.
Nice, dude. Fuck. Man, that sword's nice. Okay, so far no forks. Let's do this trial.
This room is full of beasts that the natives call dorsentats. They seem to be resting. Perhaps we can pass without waking them if we move silently.
No. Let's just deal with these guys.
Protect me in this battle.
And let's go!
This made of shadow engulf our enemies.
Oh, okay. Gotta hit bats are like hate the bats in this.
Running out. Take a potion. I am wounded.
that, please? Okay. Come on, man, we stunned each other? That don't make no sense. Oh, shit. I went to check chat for 1 second. Oh, man. Get an AMD depending on the brand you get. Oh, the brands don't matter. Yeah, it's the same thing with the... Like if you go with GeForce, like brands don't matter.
Potion if you want to cast more spells. Your magic is running out. Take a potion. I need healing. May the shadow engulf our enemies. I am wounded.
Oh shit. Uh-oh. Drink it, drink it. Stop that. God. Dick. Just gonna let my mana refill a little bit. Or go in for a big boy head. Bats are the worst, man. Oh, to go the other way, I need vigor anyway. Shit. Definitely not a vigor build. Wonder how many trials this guy has. Let's enter the cave. I mean, no matter what I do.
Hey, are you still with us? You have that same empty look, just like when you spoke to that tree.
I had a new vision. Yes. And I suppose that it was the key to a new ritual.
We're listening. In that cavern, with the trial that awaits us, we should leave nothing to chance.
I was in the sky. I was floating, carried by the wind. And it was a cold feeling. I was high up, and it was getting colder and colder. I felt my blood freezing in my veins. I fell to the ground and spun slowly. And then the sun warmed me. Suddenly I bounced on the ground. And I was taken by the bubbling current of this creek. Then, just like before, the vision dissipated. And I was suddenly with you again.
Okay. Another Nadag up here. Oh, is this another one of... damn it, I gotta remember the story again.
On this stone, the sun is visible. This stone bears the image of a storm. This stone is blackened, eaten away. This stone is adorned with the etching of a drop of water. Here this looks like a snowflake. This drawing looks like an infant. The drawing on this stone makes me think of fire.
Okay.
I'm certain.
Tell us again what you saw when you touched this basin.
I was in the sky. I was floating,
storm.
carried by the wind. And it was a cold feeling. I was high up, and it was getting colder and colder.
Freeze.
I felt my blood freezing in my veins.
Okay.
I fell to the ground and spun slowly. And then the sun warmed me. Suddenly I bounced on the ground. And I was taken by the bubbling current of this creek. Then,
Water.
just like before, the vision dissipated. And I was suddenly with you again.
There we go. Sweet. Now what? Do I just handle this, I guess? Go. name it? Okay. Wait, what? Okay. That would have been a nice little cutscene to have, I guess.
This must be the seal that Glendan spoke about. It looks like the silhouette of the mountain of Teofredi, and a face is drawn within it.
Nice. So maybe if I mess that up, I would have had to fight that thing? Which makes me kind of wish I messed it up, because I wanted to fight that thing.
Bertir to Mad on Olmanawi. I congratulate you for passing the trial. Enter.
Big Poppy's home. Wait, what? No, this is a quest I want. Yeah, there we go.
And so you have returned. Can you tell me what the seal deep within the cavern brings into your mind?
A face in the mountain of Teofredi.
Then you have seen the true face of the island when looking into her waters. And the island has seen inside you. You have given the blood of the animals that protected the entrance to the passage. You have chosen strength a first time. In the second room, you have awoken the Dosentats to better best them. Finally, you have completed the ritual. And in so doing, the Guardian recognized you as a wise man. You choose to trust the way of rules and wisdom. It is a difficult path, but it carries generous fruits. The island has seen your intelligence and also your compassion. The friendship of Katasach towards you no longer surprises me.
Am I authorized to encounter Enor Milfrictamen now? To present him with my request?
If the High King agrees, yes. We shall not oppose that decision. Only a High King or High Queen is allowed to open the sanctuary. I warned you. Your voyage is far from over.
I suppose that I'm going to need to convince them as well. Where can I find them?
I do not know. And I believe that it may be another trial on your path to find the one you seek.
Is he hiding? Has he been captured?
He disappeared several months ago.
Oh, God.
Since then, we have not heard from him. He was worried about the Renaigse. The last people to have seen him, I'm told, were the most important chiefs of the clans here at the council. There was Deirdre, Blatnid, Ulan, and Dunkas.
I fear that Queen Bladnid can no longer help us.
Yes, we have learned of her fate. Some battles cannot be won twice. Deirdre is the Mal of the clan of the Storm Warriors. You will find her in the village of Vedlog.
I've already met her. She sent me to confront a guardian.
That sounds like her. Ulan is the Mal of the village of Vignamri, near the coast. It is said that he welcomes the Renaigse. As for Dunkas, he leads the Vigigidor. He is the chief of the Earth Healers. His village is not very far from the Didekid and Nadages.
Very well. I will go and see them. Try to find this High King. Thank you, Glendan.
Kwa'awalamsek. I hope that you will find him.
I will. Come on, you know I will. All right. Side quest? Nah, let's just keep going.